Hello students, so in this video I will discuss about how to draw the frustum of the cone with base diameter is 60 mm, upper diameter is 30 mm and height is 50 mm. So as usual I will be drawing the XY line first. I will be drawing the XY line. Draw any horizontal line. Okay. Then you can take any point A on this. Then you can draw 30-degree lines both sides of this point on the other side as well. Now you can take this 60 mm distance and you can mark it on the both sides of these lines, both sides of this point A. Okay, then you simply need to make a rhombus as usual for this making the ellipse. Now you need to join this with continuous thin lines. Always use continuous thin lines. Okay, now you can find out, now here you can find out the midpoints. So this is the midpoint of this one length, side 1, then for this side 2 as well. So this is very important, you need to find out the midpoints. Okay, so all the four sides. Okay, then simply join this with the corner points of this smaller diagonal of the rhombus as usual. So again I will be drawing the ellipse. Yeah, now I'll be drawing the arcs. Okay. Now you can draw this third arc as well. Okay, inside arc is hidden, that's why I'm not going to draw. Now you need to find out the center of this ellipse. I will be finding it by just joining the diagonals of this rhombus. Now I'll be taking the height as 50 mm. Height is given 50 mm. Join with the chain line. I'll be drawing the chain line throughout. Okay, and I will be measuring 50 mm. So this is 50. So I measured this 50 mm along this chain line. So this is 50. Now I'll be drawing a horizontal line through this. Through this 50 mm height. Now upper circle is upper ellipse is 30 mm. So upper circle of this cone is 30 mm. So 15 mm I'll be taking from here above and below this line. 15 mm above, 15 mm below. Now I'll be measuring this 30 mm because this is 30 mm. It is given in the statement. So measuring 30 mm with the compass, and then you can mark this both sides of this. Yes, and then you can join these 4 points you can join. Now you can join these 4 points, thin lines. Always use thin lines. First you draw it with thin lines. Now you can find out the midpoints. I have found this midpoint on the other side as well. all the sides. So I've got the midpoints of all the sides. Okay, now I'll be joining again to draw the ellipse, upper ellipse. Now I'll be drawing the arcs. So draw this arc. Other side as well. So this is complete. Now I'll be joining with the tangents. So I'll be joining with the tangent line. Okay. Continuous thick. So this will be continuous thick. Okay, so this is the frustum of the cone. Now I will be doing the dimensioning. So I have done the dimensioning as well. So I hope you got it. This is the frustum of the cone. Yes, isometric view of the frustum of the cone. Thank you very much.